Today I will take you to a factory in Pakistan where every old and damaged tire gets a brand new life. Yes, instead of throwing away old tires, they are turning them into usable oil worth billions of dollars. Today we will see how unusable tires are burned and converted into oil. Please watch the full video. New friends, hit the subscribe button and select the all option on the bell icon. To make oil from tires, first thousands of old and worn-out tires are brought and piled up in front of the factory. Then, with skilled hands, the steel or iron parts inside each tire are carefully removed using specially made sharp steel blades. This part is separated and sent to a recycling plant so that it can be reused to make rods or iron again. After that, the outer part of the tires is cut into round pieces by rotating them. These are cut so that in the next steps there is no extra hassle while moving the tires from one place to another or doing other work. Then the pre-cut and piled tires are taken inside the factory into a huge furnace. Thousands of cut tires are loaded together, and the mouth of the furnace is sealed. After that, every screw on the furnace door is tightened so tightly that not even a little air can leak from inside. Then comes the time to light the fire in this furnace. For such a huge furnace, several mons of dry wood are needed at once. For hours, a worker enters inside the furnace and fills every side properly with dry wood to burn the tires well. After that, the fire is lit and we wait. Sometimes the whole furnace is rotated with the help of an automatic machine, so that the heat reaches every part equally. In this way, the tires are heated at very high temperature for about 10 to 15 hours without any oxygen. Because of the heat, the tires do not actually burn, but turn into smoke, which is similar to cooking food in a pressure cooker. And this smoke or vapor slowly cools down and turns into thick black oil. In scientific terms, this process is called the pyrolysis system. And this thick black oil can mainly be used as fuel. Besides, carbon black powder is also obtained in this process. After melting at high temperature and cooling, the black tire powder becomes a very valuable raw material for the rubber and plastic industry. This black powder is also used as ink for newsprint or photocopy machines. Moreover, the steel wires inside the tires are never thrown away. They are also recycled and turned back into iron or steel. The pyrolysis oil obtained by melting tires is widely used as industrial fuel or as raw material in refineries. And because it is easily available, the demand for this pyrolysis oil is increasing rapidly day by day. However, this process of making oil from tires produces gas smoke and waste. Without proper technology and control, it can become a serious risk for the workers and the environment. Moreover, workers in tire pyrolysis factories face many health risks. The emitted gas smoke and vapor may contain sulfur compounds, benzene, and other harmful chemicals, which can cause shortness of breath lung diseases and many other complex serious illnesses in the long term. But these health risks for workers and environmental risks are controllable with modern filters, scrubbers, gas control systems, and by following safety standards, the damage can be greatly reduced. Every year, more than 1.5 billion tires are discarded worldwide after use. If a tire is burned directly, toxic smoke, carbon monoxide, and many other harmful substances spread into the air. Moreover, it takes about 4,000 years for one tire to mix with the soil after being thrown away. So now you can understand how harmful even a single tire is to our environment. Now a question may come to your mind. Will you leave an old tire to cause environmental pollution? Or will you support making oil from it through the pyrolysis process? The reality is that controlled and technology-based pyrolysis is a much better alternative than letting tires pollute the environment. However, pyrolysis is not a perfect solution, but it is a far more responsible path than neglect. This ends our today's episode. See you in a new video. Stay well and thank you.